car and farm illegally to Bodyshop in Northampton, and I'm here today with the 1977 Porsche 994 Martini. It's a vehicle that's had 23 owners in its very checkered history. In 1992, the vehicle was subject to a total loss and had quite a poor repair job made on it at some point. I believe that the vehicle probably sat for a period of time before it was repaired. The return on the car was quite poor, and then subsequently, when we started the restoration, it's a full pound car, peeled away the history. There's really been some substandard work carried out of it. There's still a lot of the pre-existing accident damage existing. So it's been a big project. They've hit nearly 600 hours in terms of restoration project at the moment. The car's plans when it's complete. It has a 5-week deadline from today. It's heading off to the Le Mans Classic in France, where it will be partaking in a parade lap. It will then go off to the Nürburgring, where it's doing another lap before it heads off to the Stuttgart Museum for a bit of a meet and greet. Then comes back to the UK, and at the end of July it will be exhibited at the Silverstone Classic. It's taking part in the Porsche Cars Great Britain Restoration Classic competition, celebrating 40 years of the front of transaction cars. We hope that we'll be successful at that competition. I believe there's 15 cars that are entered at the moment, so that's
from Elite Bodyshop, responsible for the actual hands-on restoration of the Martini that you see behind us. I'll just ask Jason a few questions about it. Jason, what sort of condition is the car in?
Well, what was the first battery area? Was quite over to, I think, the hold, and when you put the brakes, the master cylinder, the servo, all those sort of things are quite bad state.
So a lot of cutting out machine metal, refabricated from scratch, or could you get panels?
You've got 3 panels, back panels,
A job like this, does the body have to cheat to do these repairs?
Yes, we have reinforced bars putting through it, just to keep it square sort of thing, and then it went on to a jig to measure it wasn't cosmetics.
And I guess the big question is, how much time did it take to get from that original car as you found it to the body shop that we have now?
We're looking around about 500 hour mark at present.
What sort of size team do you have working on it? I know you're very hands-on.
I've literally done all the panel work on it, all the suspension work on it, stripped it, to a spare shell. We've had the painters, 2 painters, do it as well, and the engine, that's been done.
So from your point of view, would you say you've broken the back a bit and the next bit is mainly assembly?
To me, yes, it's literally putting it all back together now. This is the easy part to start moving out to ride again.
Karen tells me you do have the original Martini plates on the same console.
We do, yes. I've been there polishing that and making that clean, and that's all.
Right, fantastic. So the deadline you're aiming for is Le Mans Classic, early July.
Yes.
So no pressure at all.
I'll be there, definitely decided polishing it.
And understand you have a track lap. So you take it out with a grade lap.
We do, yes.
Fantastic.
It's not going to be a car, hopefully it's 16 garage, it's going to be on the road occasionally.
What do you think will happen after this whole process? Is it going to become show car for Porsche?
We're going to keep it, take it around the shows, but at the end of the day, I suppose, the next project, this will get sold on.
Fantastic.
Someone can enjoy it.
Thank you very much, Jason. That's brilliant. Thank you.